Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where the original file's live and that file names match exactly. Once done, open your Premiere project and select the offline clips in the project panel. You will right-click and choose Link Media to invoke the dialog. This is the first actionable step because it shows file info and search options. Make sure to note the missing file name and path shown. This prevents wild guessing and directs you straight to the correct folder for relinking. You now use Link Media's search intelligently. Point Premiere to the parent folder rather than a single file so it can scan for matches. Choose matching by file name first, then timecode if file names differ. This handles renamed or transcoded files. If multiple clips are offline, enable Relink Others automatically so Premiere resolves siblings in one pass. For a single wrong clip, use Replace Footage to swap only that clip without disturbing others. This makes relinking fast and controlled. You finish by checking every sequence and clip to confirm correct frames and audio sync, then render problem areas. Save the project and run Project Manager to consolidate files to a single folder if you want one tidy source. If something still won't link, check file extensions, codecs, and whether timecode drift or a renamed folder is the culprit. These are the usual issues. If relink fails, point Premiere to the exact original folder and use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.